Just like how we have proactive HA, we have a feature called Predictive DRS. What this does is it integrates with vRealize Operations Manager to forecast the performance of your VMs over time and move them around before a performance issue occurs. Again, the VDI example is really good for this. You have virtual machines that are running very intensive workloads for a period of 10 hours in a day from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. But then overnight, they're not really doing a lot. So vRealize Operations Manager will be able to forecast that and be able to make recommendations to DRS to support that. vRealize Operations Manager is not included on the vSphere Foundations exam, so we won't go into that in too much detail, but for the exam, just remember that proactive DRS, or predictive DRS as it is now called, uses vRealize Operations Manager, the vSphere monitoring product, to detect performance issues before they occur and take action to make sure the VMs have the resources that they need and are balanced appropriately to support those needs.